Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2018 530i XDrive premium package in the Alpine white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include premium LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front and rear park assist sensors, 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels, turn signal, integrated side mirrors, auto dimming side mirrors, keyless entry with push start ignition, power windows and door locks, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power rear window shade, power adjustable front seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, hands-free calling, multimedia display with navigation and backup camera, 12 speaker Harmon Kardon premium audio system, dual zone climate control, heated seats, drive mode select, electronic gear shift, electronic parking brake, park assist sensor switch, power sunroof, black leather interior, rear climate control, all of this and much, much more. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.